DJI may soon return to the spotlight in the FPV drone space, and early leaks suggest the company is preparing something a little different this time. If the latest information proves accurate, the next Avata model could make 360-degree aerial capture far more accessible than it has been so far. Details about the rumored drone, widely expected to be called the DJI Avata 360, have surfaced through several leaks from known DJI watcher Jasper Ellens. According to the leak, the drone-only version could start around $499, which would put it below the current Avata 2, typically priced at around $600. That alone would make it one of the more affordable entries into the growing 360 FPV category, where competitors such as the Insta360 Antigravity A1 sit at noticeably higher prices. Ellens has also said that leaked promotional images and packaging circulating online appear to be genuine. Those images reveal a few practical features as well. For example, the drone is expected to support replaceable lenses, with a 2-pack reportedly costing around $50 or €50. The lenses appear to use a simple screw-in design, which should make quick replacements possible after scratches or minor crashes. Battery pricing may also be more approachable. Spare intelligent flight batteries are rumored to cost about $70 or €70, each with a 38.6 Wh capacity. That would actually be larger than the 31.8 Wh battery used in the Avata 2, which could translate to longer sessions in the air. As for the drone itself, the design shown in leaks suggests a compact body with Cinewhoop-style propeller guards, similar to earlier Avata models. The key difference would be the addition of 360-degree imaging, possibly through a dual-camera setup. DJI has already started teasing something new on social media, hinting at an all-new dimension of aerial creativity. According to Ellens, another teaser is expected on March 12th, with more promotional material likely to follow.